Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to add or remove inbox category in Gmail. So if you come here in my email, you can see there is 4 categories in email: primary, social, updates and forums. So some people, they don't like to have multiple inbox, especially they will miss the emails, but some people, of course, they like that one. So this video is for whom they want to make the category, or if they want to remove the category, we can do this. So for that, first of all, go to the settings icon on the top right corner and click on the see all settings, and after that go to the inbox option, which is the third option as of now, and you can uncheck these options. See, everything will be in primary. After that, after you uncheck everything, go to the bottom and save changes. Now if you come back, you'll see this, everything is in one particular category. And suppose if your email look like this one and you want the categories, you can follow the same procedure. Go to the settings, click on see all settings, go to the inbox, and you can check whatever categories you need. Whatever categories you didn't select, it will go to the primary. So suppose if you don't want if you want only separate social, you can choose this option and save. Then rest of the emails, it will come to the primary. So here I'm going to choose all of them, separate, and save changes. In this case, it will show me 5 separate categories. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.